आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Let f be a linear function such that f of 5 equals to -2 and f of 11 equals to 28. What is the value of f of 9 minus f of 7 divided by 2? So a linear function is a function in which the maximum possible power of the variable is 1. That is why it is linear. So we take a function f of x. Any linear function of x can be written as ax plus b because the maximum power of the variable, that is x, is 1. A is the coefficient of x and b is the constant coefficient. So f of x equals to ax plus b. Now given that f of 5 equals to -2. So f of 5 equals to a into 5 plus b. We have to simply replace the x with 5, which equals to 5a plus b, which is given to be -2. So we call this as equation 1. Similarly, f of 11 equals to a into 11 plus b, which is equal to, or which implies 11a plus b, which equals to 28. We call this as equation 2. Now what we have to find is f of 9 minus f of 7 divided by 2. So f of 9 will be equal to a into 9 plus b, as we have to simply substitute x with 9 in the equation of f of x, and f of 7 would be equal to a into 7 plus b. Substituting values of f of 9 and f of 7, we would be getting that f of 9 minus f of 7 divided by 2 equals to 9a plus b minus 7a plus b divided by 2, which equals to 9a plus b. Now we will open this bracket, minus 7a minus b divided by 2. This b will get cancelled. So ultimately we are left with 2a divided by 2, as 9 minus 7 equals to 2, which is ultimately equal to a. So we have got the value of this expression to be ultimately equal to a. So to find this, we have to simply find the value of a. To find the value of a, we can solve these two equations which we had derived earlier. So solving equation 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, we would be subtracting 1 from 2 to solve them. So on subtracting, on left hand side we would be getting 11a plus b minus 5a plus b, which equals to, on the right hand side we would be getting 28 minus of -2, as we are subtracting this equation 1 from this equation 2. So we do the calculation further. So we would be getting 11a plus b minus 5a minus b, we have opened the bracket, equals to 28 minus -2, which is 28 plus 2. So this b will get cancelled. So 11a minus 5a, which equals to 6a, equals to 28 plus 2, that is 30. So ultimately we have got that a equals to 5. We have got the value of a to be 5. According to question, we had to calculate the value of this particular equation, we had to find the value of this particular equation, and we had derived just now that the value of f of 9 minus f of 7 divided by 2, we calculated it to be equal to a. Hence, this particular expression equals to a, and the value of a we have just now solved and got to be 5, as you can see here. Hence, the value of this expression equals to a, which equals to 5. Hence, 5 is the final answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।